Humans went on to make devastating mistakes. A once self-proclaimed, illuminate species now faded to a mere flicker of a candle flame. A decision to explore the outer wilds, without ever completing the inner expeditions of their own labyrinths. Beautiful are the stars, whom conceive and kill. The universe is, and we are. After the end, unknown events will continue in a time much longer than that which has already passed. Whatever happens next, I do not think it is to be feared.